This is the Yuneec Q500 Typhoon motor. Here's the inside of it. And what happens is these propellers get stuck on there, and when you are trying to unscrew them, they don't come off because the prop shaft is turning. And if you see inside here, what you can see, this is what's going on, is that this whole thing, which is the prop shaft, which is swedged inside the can there, loses its grip and it spins inside the can, you see, and so you can't get the propeller off. And when that happens, well, you're stuck. You got to take the motor out and replace the motor. I have tried adding chemical Loctite inside here when the prop's not on, of course, trying to lock this piece here, to the can, or actually to the shaft, and that didn't work. It worked for maybe a short time, but it's just, the prop gets stuck on there. Don't understand why. It's aluminum on aluminum. These are aluminum threads, I believe. Pretty sure they're aluminum threads here. And maybe the aluminum to aluminum is galling. But I've suggested to the chief of tech support, Ryan Kephart at Yuneec, that he pass on to the Yuneec engineers so they can pass on to the manufacturer of these brushless motors to fix this issue, because this is a real bad situation, you see. So that's what's going on with these things. Not everybody has this problem, but some of us do, and it's a real nightmare when it happens. All right, so I have now successfully loosened this off of here, but what it requires to do that is you must lock the shaft, and the only way you can really lock it is if you have machine tools. I had to put this shaft in a 3/16 collet in my mill so that I could hold this shaft solid, and then I was able to spin this thing off of here. So that has not solved this problem. For the next time the prop freezes on there, I mean, you can see I've even tried CA glue here, chemical inside, chemical Loctite inside. Looks like it needs to be more solidly fastened at this point here. Needs a better fastening method down here. Ryan Kephart suggested that possibly putting anti-seize on these threads might help in the future. So I'm going to be trying that. Anyway, bottom line is if you get a prop frozen on here, you can unsolder the motor from the speed control, remove it from the aircraft, disassemble the motor, put it into a collet, 3/16 collet, in your in whatever device you have that uses collets, a lathe or a mill. Hold this thing rigid, and then you can unspin it. Then put it all back together and solder it back into your aircraft again. Kind of a pain in the ass, right? All right.